installation of your first system, and we're just going through some maintenance questions.
Okay.
So, how often would you do your own regrooms at home?
Well, every couple of days when I have a shower wash, whatever I might do, I'll take it off. And I don't use an awful lot of tape, just enough to keep it run truly secure. And when I wash my hair, it comes off naturally anyway. And I find with a little blast of the hairdryer on the tape itself, not the hair of course, but just on the tape, it sort of reinvigorates the tape, but not super strong. I do have troubles with my scalp, so I find that works really well. And then every 6 weeks or so, I'll go to my stylist. He'll cut my hair in again, restyle the unit, and that's about all the maintenance I need. So it fits in the half really well. I don't have to do an awful lot of work to keep it looking good, which is the key thing, I think. You're looking as natural as possible with the least amount of effort if you can. So that works really well for me.
And styling wise, when you wake up in the morning, does it take a lot to get back into this style that we've achieved
Not at
today?
all. I use a very light sort of spray, like a styling spray. Just mess it up a little bit. Use quite a large comb, and that usually combs in very nicely. Bit of a holding spray after that. That's it. So it's like almost like having real hair. It's probably less hassle than real hair actually.
Perfect.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.